it's a common story. People have elderly family members and it's difficult to check up on them all the time. But with our system, we can have an immediate alert if something were to go wrong or if any anomalies in their usual daily patterns were detected. So Skystrm is a health tech company. Our flagship solution is called Senso24, and we use an AI-driven and machine learning algorithm to do live detection of elderly in their homes and other care settings. We are really trying to make a positive impact to society, and it was just a natural step to approach the university to assist us as they have the right academic partnerships and the technological solutions to help us achieve this.
With Skystrm, the expertise that CEMET brought to the project was initially focused on pose detection, which is a form of artificial intelligence that uses traditional cameras such as webcams or mobile phones to detect key points on a person. One of the biggest challenges in this project was accurately determining if a person had fallen over. Although the technology has moved on considerably in this field, there is still a lot of problems and issues to work on, such as if somebody lies down, have they fallen over? What happens if there's more than one person in the camera's field of view?
So one of the challenges we faced is getting sufficient data. It's all good and well detecting a fall, but you can't make a person fall to get that information. So the university helped us create synthetic data using a game engine.
So we used a games engine, Unity, to essentially create a ragdoll physics simulator of digital people falling over, effectively giving us unlimited, clean, accurate data. We used that to train the machine learning model, which gave us a 97% accuracy of detecting when somebody has fallen over, which is absolutely fantastic.
So we applied for funding through the Academic Industry Partnership Program from the Cardiff Capital Region, and these funds were utilised by the university to help us with our solution.
The Academic Industry Partnership Programme is a programme funded by the Shared Prosperity Fund and supported by Cardiff Capital Region. It's a collaborative project with the 3 university partners in South East Wales and the 5 further education colleges. Its key aim is about economic growth in the region, about encouraging businesses to collaborate with universities and colleges and develop innovative research and development projects that will make a real difference to their business.
It has been a highly collaborative experience working with the university as they have accelerated our product development. They have been very welcoming and have understood our goals and our aims from day one.
There are other companies operating in the aged care sector, but what CEMET and Skystrm have achieved is unique, ensuring the privacy of the people being observed. Ultimately, the work we've done with Skystrm is just going to drive innovation in that space, which can only be good news for the sector.